Hello. In this video, I'll give you some information about final exam and its review. To take this final exam for this class, you have to complete the final exam review with at least 70%. Okay, so this final exam has unlimited attempt and it has a 50 question, but final exam does not have 50 questions. It's going to be around 33 to 35 questions on the final exam. Okay, but all the question on the final exam is similar to the review, like you uh, took the previous test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 review. You notice that all the test question is similar to the review, so it's very important complete the review with a good score. I should say 100% or 90 above to do better on the final exam. Okay, and again I suggest you make a note card while I work when you are working with the final exam review. Okay, again final exam review is here. So this calculator gonna be on the test on the top. Most of the question has a calculator attached on it. Sometimes it doesn't have a calculator, or by the time you can use this scientific calculator on the top of the page, right? So, or you can use a analog calculator as well, whatever you feel easier, but I think this is a very handy and useful calculator compared to analog. So there is a 4 hour time limit for this final exam review for 50 questions, and you can take this test 99 times. Okay, so let's start the test. Okay, so you can see that there is a uh, first question, but before you have an intro here, intro instruction. There is a calculator also attached here. Look at this. If you click this calculator pops up on the side. This same as this calculator. So there is so many ways you can find the calculator. Either you can click this intro link to find the calculator, or you can type at the top. So you have to use this calculator in the final exam, because we got to see whether you get the answer in the question really you did work on the calculator or not. So you cannot use other calculator like physical calculator on the test. You must use scientific this analog calculator or this Desmos scientific calculator. Okay, so let's click it up here. All right, so start here. Let's see, you have a 50 question here. Okay, so let's see the first question. Let's see. Okay, so let's see, this is the first question, and then you read the question very carefully, and you choose the answer from the drop down menu for this question. And also, if you want to help, you can look at the written example to solve these questions also. Okay, so if you read this example carefully, and you might have to able to solve this question. Okay, if not, let's say you choose answer like randomly, for example. Okay, let's see what happens if you check your work, you submit the question, you get wrong. Sometimes what happens is um, most of them I try to put the feedback, so if you get incorrect answer, it tells you what to do. Okay, so you read the response and you check your response based on this feedback. You can do that as well. For example, it's here, it says here you write the first statement here. The first statement is there are shark, so you have to pick that. So and here you write and here, so you put and here. And the third option says negate the second statement Q. So second statement is Cheney does not go to the swimming. Negate simply Cheney goes to the swimming, and you submit the question. That's key correct. Or if you want to do similar question, you can do that from here as well. Okay, you try. Maybe you can try twice, and if you get right, you go to the next question. You do the similar. So you can see the written example, or you can sometimes have a feedback as well, and then you see what to do. So that's how you learn. I try to put the feedback to most of the questions, and also I try to put the videos for the hint. If you need the help, you can put the what's the video link. Let's see some of this question here. For example, if you want to answer this question, you can watch the video. See, that's the video I made for for the similar question. You can watch the video and to answer the question. Okay, let's find question number 30 here. So let's say you don't know how to do this question. It has written examples, and you can um, see what you need to do to solve these particular questions, and you put the answer here. Whatever you solve, you get the answer. For example, if you put the wrong answer, it tells you, hey, that's not right. What to do? You do this. So you set up the proportion and solve for x. Yes, this question does not have a video, but it has a written example as a hint. You might able to get this question correct by looking at this similar questions um, examples. Okay, so that's how you prepare for the final exam. um, like this question here, um, this there has a video solution for this one, right? Similar question has a video solution. Hello. uh, and also written example. Okay, here. So again, you just learn it. You have to do this review not just to get the points. You are doing this review so that you're gonna do better on the final exam. Also make a note card based on the review. Whatever you like, you want to write in a note card, you you write in the note card. But of course you cannot include everything in the note card, but write whatever comes up while you are working on the review for the final exam. Okay, also I want to tell you some of the question has a calculator attached here. So the calculator, and some of them does not have it. If it doesn't have it, you can see just on the calculator on the top of the test, so you can use that too. So this is another questions, and it has a video link, and you solve this question watching the video. Okay, watch this similar question solved in the video. As long as you watch the video and you know how to solve this question in the video, you definitely can solve these questions. Okay, so just make sure that you do each questions twice. Okay, so let me just submit the question. This is incorrect, but you have to what if you try 3 times incorrect? For example, let's say 3 here. Let's put the wrong answer 3 times. Then then it show you right answer, right? Let's see. Let's say right answer. Right answer. So, but you cannot type the answer if you wanna do um, the same question. You got to do similar questions and do the same question again. Okay, so here is the bottom line. Learn the questions, how to do the each question on the review. Okay, so to learn it, you can either watch the video or view the written example. Of course, you can use different resources. You can use ChatGPT to learn it. That's okay, but don't use ChatGPT. Just put the answer in the box. Yes, you can learn using ChatGPT or AI, whatever you want to do it, but that's okay. But you should learn how to do these questions. Okay, ChatGPT maybe shows step by steps how to do it, but don't just put the answer, uh, whatever you get, without knowing how to do the questions. Okay, so make sure that you learn it. Okay, so that you can do better on the final exam, and you'll pass this final exam with a good score. Okay, good luck. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand what I'm saying, and good luck to final exam. Thank you. Bye.